This is the exact $1,500 white gaming PC build for it. Just chill. 57-677. Like, subscribe, and let's start. CPU Ryzen 7770, $300. GPU RTX 4070, $550. Motherboard B650 white, $170. RAM 32 GB. DDR5 white, $120. Storage 1TB NVMe Gen 4, $80. Cooling white 240mm, AIO $120. PSU 750 watts. Gold $110. Case white airflow case $50. Total exactly $1,500. Performance excellent 1440 PS ultra gaming, smooth streaming, clean white setup with power. Drop your budget in the comments for your own build.